Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best Japanese mechanical pencils are probably one of the most precise and satisfying writing instruments available, offering a seamless blend of cutting-edge technology and timeless design that elevates the everyday act of writing into an experience. These meticulously crafted tools, born from a nation renowned for its attention to detail and innovation, provide an unparalleled writing experience, making them a must-have for students, artists, and professionals alike who appreciate the finer things in life and demand the best from their stationery. Number 5. For Candies Cute Mechanical Pencil Set. Discover the 4 Candies Cute Mechanical Pencil Set, your perfect companion for all your writing and drawing needs. This exquisite set is designed to inspire. Inside, you'll find everything you need: multiple mechanical pencils in different sizes, abundant lead refills, and plenty of erasers. It's a complete package for endless creativity. Experience unparalleled comfort with its unique triangular grip, designed to guide your hand for a natural and secure hold. Enjoy smooth, effortless writing and drawing sessions. Our upgraded resin lead is incredibly strong, smooth, and elastic, ensuring a superior writing experience. With 360 pieces of lead, you'll have more than enough for all your projects. Choose between 0.5mm and 0.7mm nibs to perfectly suit your task, whether it's writing, sketching, or drafting. These versatile tools adapt to your every creative whim. Adorned in lovely candy colors, this set is specially crafted for girls who love aesthetic stationery. It comes with a convenient storage case, making it ideal for school or professional use. What we like. This set is perfect for young students who love a touch of fun in their school supplies. The triangular grip ensures comfortable writing for long study sessions. If you're looking for a complete and adorable package for back to school, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The lead sleeve is retractable, which prevents the lead from breaking when you put it in your pocket. The grip is comfortable and doesn't slip, even when your hands are sweaty. The mechanism for advancing the lead is smooth and precise, allowing you to control exactly how much lead is exposed. Number 4. Mr. Pen Art Mechanical Pencil Set. Introducing the Mr. Pen Art Mechanical Pencil Set, designed for precision in every stroke. This set offers 5 different sizes to meet all your drawing and writing needs. Each set comes with 5 HB lead refills and 10 eraser refills, ensuring you have everything you need to keep creating. You can focus on your art without interruption. Experience fatigue-free creativity with a comfortable grip designed for hours of writing and drawing. The ideal weight balance makes them a joy to hold and use. Crafted from high-quality materials, these pencils are built to last. The durable lead resists breaking, providing a reliable tool for artists and professionals alike. Whether you're an architect, artist, student, or teacher, this set is for you. With 5 tip sizes, it's the ultimate tool for any project, big or small. Keep your pencils organized and protected in the included reusable box with an easy-to-close lid. It's perfect for school, office, or studio use. What we like. For artists and professionals who need versatility, this set offers 5 different tip sizes for detailed work. The balanced weight ensures fatigue-free use during long drawing or writing sessions. If you need a reliable and organized set for art and technical drawing, this is the one. What people say. The lead sleeve is retractable, which is great for pocketability and prevents lead breakage. It has a comfortable grip and a satisfying click mechanism. The build quality is excellent, feels very durable and well made. Number 3. UNIBALL Kuru Toga Elite Mechanical Pencil Kit. Introducing the UNIBALL Kuru Toga Elite. Its advanced rotating lead engine ensures the tip stays sharp, so your writing is always on point. The 0.5mm diamond-infused lead produces strikingly dark and vivid marks, perfect for both text and graphics. It's stronger than standard lead, offering exceptional durability. Experience a comfortable and precise writing experience with its knurled grip. This pencil is designed for all your needs, from schoolwork to art projects. Don't worry about errors. This pencil features a replaceable eraser, making it easy to correct any mistakes and keep your work looking clean. This pencil is refillable, ensuring you always have it ready when inspiration strikes. It's the perfect companion for all your note-taking and creative endeavors. What we like. This pencil is designed for those who demand precision and a consistently sharp line. The innovative rotating lead engine keeps the tip sharp, while the diamond-infused lead provides dark, clear marks. If you value a sharp point and dark, consistent writing for notes or detailed artwork, you should consider this. What people say. The lead sleeve is retractable, which prevents the lead from breaking when dropped. The grip is comfortable and doesn't slip, even with sweaty hands. The mechanism for advancing the lead is smooth and precise, allowing for consistent line width. Number 2. 4-pack 0.5mm metal mechanical pencil set. This comprehensive set includes everything you need for writing and drawing. It comes with 4 fine-point mechanical pencils, ample lead refills, and erasers, all neatly organized in a portable case. Experience superior comfort and control with its smooth metal barrel. The balanced weight ensures fatigue-free use, making it ideal for extended writing or drawing sessions. Never worry about it slipping away. Its polygonal barrel and metal clip keep it secure on your desk, and loading lead is simple for anyone to do. Enjoy effortless writing with our high-capacity resin lead. It provides consistently dark lines without the need for sharpening and is designed to resist breaking. Whether you're an artist, student, teacher, or professional, these tools are crafted to meet your demands. Achieve precision and clarity in all your work. What we like. Experience a premium writing feel with its durable metal body and ideal weight balance. The polygonal barrel prevents slipping, making it comfortable for extended use. If you're a professional or student seeking a robust and comfortable writing instrument for drafting or art, this is a great option. What people say. The mechanism is smooth and precise, allowing for consistent lead advancement. The grip section is comfortable and provides excellent control during writing. The build quality feels solid and durable, suggesting it will last a long time. Number 1. For Candies 25 PCS Mechanical Pencil Set. Unleash your creativity with this comprehensive set, perfect for drawing, sketching, writing, and technical drafting. It includes everything you need to bring your ideas to life. Experience versatility with multiple lead sizes, from fine lines for precise writing to bolder strokes for artistic expression. It's ideal for everything from exams to detailed illustrations. Explore a wide range of graphite hardness for clean lines and smooth shading, plus a spectrum of colors to add vibrancy to your designs. Perfect for all your artistic endeavors. Designed for comfort, its ergonomic grips and balanced body reduce fatigue during long drawing or study sessions. You can create for hours without discomfort. Achieve clean lines and perfect highlights with the included kneaded eraser. It's essential for detailed work, blending, and lifting graphite cleanly. Whether you're a student, a hobbyist, or a professional, this set is designed for you. It makes a practical gift for anyone who loves to create. What we like. This comprehensive kit is a dream for aspiring artists and technical drawers. With multiple lead sizes, a variety of lead hardness, and even colored leads, it offers endless creative possibilities. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution for sketching, drafting, and adding color to your work, this set is ideal. What people say. The lead sleeve is retractable, which prevents the lead from breaking when dropped. The grip is comfortable and designed to reduce writing fatigue. It features a unique mechanism that advances the lead automatically as you write, so you don't have to click it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.